Hey everyone, I just wanted to quickly share with you how simple it is to create polls on your Facebook videos now. It's a pretty cool tool, and it just means that when you do something like this, you will get more engagement and you're actually pulling in people into your videos and getting them to react and engage. So it's pretty simple, really. Get onto your page, click on photo and video as though you're going to upload a photo or a video. Um, so I will just pick something I've just done recently. And what you need to do is give your video title. This video that I've uploaded happens to be talking about storytelling. Give everyone a bit of a description about what they're about to watch so they know what they're in for. And then over on the right hand side, you have polls as an option. So you can click on polls and create a poll. And you can ask your question in here. So I might type in, why do you think storytelling is important? And then I might give people a couple of answers of options that they can type in, that they can click on as a response. And what you can do also, which is pretty cool, is have your poll either start at the very beginning, you can have it pop up towards the end, or if you wanted to, depending on what you're saying, you can have it so it pops in at a relevant point inside your video. So you can just drag this green button across and it will just pop up at different points of in the different points of your video, and it'll come up with the poll on the actual video. And then all you need to do is select whether you want for the results to be published. So you can have it appear at a scheduled point in time. You can have it never show. It's totally up to you what you want to do with that information. And then once that's done, save it and post it. That's pretty much it. Pretty simple. If you get stuck, reach out and I'm more than happy to help you through it.